Let's go live. Cool beans. All right, boys. Welcome to the stream. Hope you're all doing well. I'm going to load up the stream on my phone. That way, when we get started doing stuff, I don't have to worry about keeping all this up on the screen, if I could speak. Let's see. I'm going to go ahead and open up a web browser really quick because I do just want to go ahead and show you guys kind of what we're going to be doing. First things first, we're going to be taking this wallpaper and we're going to be recreating it with a different color just to get some more vibrant like pop out of the screen. And then I've also done a little bit of configuration with Dunst. So yeah, it's now in the center. That's pretty much it, all I've done there. And obviously after we mess with the wallpaper just a little bit and get that themed and looking real nice, we'll also take a look at theming out Vim and getting it looking much nicer, and applying the theme of Cat Poochin to just regular old Vim, and also adding some plugins, building it out, and making it a little bit more usable as an IDE. And there's one other thing that I wanted to do, and I genuinely cannot remember what it was. I'll read chat here. Oh yeah, and possibly pick a new font, because this font, I like it, but I don't know that I'm gonna stick with it. I really like the similarity between it and the Terminus font for the console that just comes by default with OpenBSD. You don't have to change it to it's a great console font. You don't have to set it like you do in Linux. There's very few Linux distros that come with the Terminus font by default. Just installed OpenBSD 2. Yes, sir. Glad I could help with the beta. And up until now, it looks like my hardware now is properly supported. Yeah, as long as you got like AMD or Intel, you should be fine. If you've got NVIDIA, then that's when it gets, not good. Yeah, me too. I think the next one's just going to pop more. Will Android Studio be fine in OpenBSD? Have no idea. Don't use it, but I can pretty much go ahead and say probably not. Yes, we are going to be doing a Rust course together tomorrow. We're going to be watching. I've got the playlist already saved. I'm going to have a watch together link, and anybody who joins the stream, there obviously won't be any desktop audio, which is good for this because you'll just click the link and you can watch it with us. And then in the stream section, if anytime if I've got, something to say or whatever, we can chat and obviously, talk back and forth while watching it. Last time my NVMe started writing weird stuff everywhere all over the drive until it was full. I don't know how that's a problem with OpenBSD. That's very weird. It supports NVMe's, no problem. By the way, speaking of NVMe's, if you're running OpenBSD, please do just, add softdep and no A time to every single one of your partitions except for the swap. That's going to increase performance a lot. A lot. Philip, how's it going? Well, we are going to be starting off as beginners here with Rust, so how to do that, you do exactly what I just did. You vim into your Etsy FS tab and you add soft depth and no A time. You know, that's it. That's it. I don't think I can make the audio any louder. Let me see. Some DOCTL. Yeah, no, I can't make the audio louder. But what I can do is, oh shit, not almost bring down the entire computer setup with me. That would not be bueno. Oh, let me unscrew this just a bit and do this here. Bring in the microphone some. Maybe this is better. Still feeling a little sick. Oh, well, I hope you get completely better here real shortly. Yeah, you guys should be able to choose 1440. We should be streaming in straight 1440. But I've got my input level set to max. Actually, I've never tried that. I don't know. It's supposed to only go between 0 and 1. I could try artificially bumping it up and seeing if that like is better. But at the same time, I don't want to just fuck audio. So let me know. Is the audio like too quiet still? Like it's just unbearably quiet. But we're gonna load up we're gonna go over here. I don't know why I'm using this as a floating window manager, but Capuchin. We don't need the VM, but we will go to the Capuchin website. Here we go. We got Capuchin. Yes, sir. And so, let's see. First off, let's go back. Well, no. Hold on. I can't remember. Where is the wallpapers? There it is. Did I click on the right thing? Yes, I did. Cool. All right, take me to your leader. We want solids, maybe? Nope, because that's just the complete solid. Is it minimalistic? Ah, yes, here we are. Blue Unicat and such. All right. I say we go with the, let's see, do we have, Peach Cat. Oh, that's neato. I like that. Well, let's see. We don't have a yellow. I was kind of hoping that we could get it in yellow, but that's okay because that's that's really bright anyway. Let's see about maroon cat. Okay, I like it. Do we have? We only have a peach and pink unicat. Let's go with the peach. Let's see about peach. That's pretty vibrant. I like it. What I'm thinking is we have a bright, vibrant background wallpaper, and then, excuse me, and then a much more dark color scheme for everything else. Tervecki, how's it going? Welcome to the stream. It's fine, but I got my J maxed out. Okay, well, hold on. We will bump up the audio. I'll try this. That means while I'm typing this out, this is your chance to turn down the audio just a bit if you're worried about it blowing your eardrums out. Let's do input dot level, and let's set that equal to 1.5. All right, here we go. Oh, well, I got to put my password in. Yeah, it's, okay. Expected number between 0 and 1. Okay. Well, you know what? What we will do is I'll try turning my output. This should not affect the audio at all, but hey, I've turned up the output now. So maybe on some weird level, that's helped. Let's see. App, Caden Live, app, AllCat. Okay, so FFmpeg is maxed. So like all of these are full. Okay. Yeah. So this is unfortunately the highest the audio will go by default. But I'm sorry about it. Hopefully it's okay. Hopefully y'all will bear with me. Let's see about teal. I don't know about teal, man. I don't know. I do not know. Wait, hold on. Also, what size is this? Can I get the dimensions on this? Open image in a new tab. Let's see. Can I get inspect maybe? Yeah. Okay. How big is this image? Do. Well, that's obviously wrong. Come on. Oh. I don't want to re-download it. I believe I could check if I open up, let's see, open BSD Capuchin, let's see, an FFmpeg here. How do I get the dimensions? I don't even know how to remember. I don't remember using FA or what any of the key bindings do, or even what are the key bindings. I have no idea. I can't remember. How in the world do we see what size this is? I want to know. I mean, whatever it is, it's fine. I'm sure it's like 4K, but... Okay, cool. It's clearer now. Weird, but alright. Oh, yeah, our Crazy Chicken, are you talking about the old font that I had? The Snap Monofur font? Because I've switched over to using Hermit, and I really like it. But we might change to another font. Might. Before we get on to, or at some point, either before or after we move on to Vim. Alright, you know what? I think we are going to go with teal. I think we're going to rock teal. Get that bright, vibrant wallpaper. Let's save this image as teal unicat, save, and then open up the file browser, and we got all these freaking floating windows everywhere. This is not how you're supposed to use DWM at all, but hey, let's rock with it. What am I doing? We are going to downloads, and we're going to find teal unicat. We're going to move it over to pictures, wallpapers, and paste it in here. And then let's go over here. Let's load up GIMP, and we'll start doing some editing. Why am I in top chat, live chat? There we go. Thank you, thank you. Yeah, I really like the look of it too. It's like very readable, and it takes after the Terminus font, which is like the best console font ever. It's so readable, and it just looks good. Like it doesn't have like the arty aesthetic of some fonts, but what am I trying to do? go into pictures, wallpapers, teal unicat. Let's open this bad boy up. And then let's go to image and we can see what size it is. It's a 1440p image. I didn't even realize these wallpapers came with the exact size of my monitor. That's fucking litty as a titty. Awesome. Okay. Well, now let's open as layers and we'll go into recently used Puffy OpenBSD. Let's open that and then we're going to scale beyond down here till Puffy gets nice and small. And let's see. Image, let's do guides, new guide by percent, horizontal 50%, image, guides, new guide by percent, and a vertical 50% one, so it's straight down the middle. Let's see. Okay, so this is going to need to be, I don't know what just happened outside, but it was a loud noise. I don't think it had anything to do with me though, which is good. Okay, we're going to have to scale this down just a wee bit more. Okay, maybe not. I think that's good right there. Bada bing, bada boom. Yeah, I think that's good right there. We will take you just a little bit back this way, Puffy. Just a wee bit. And then what we're going to do is go down here on the teal. We're going to grab a selection box. We're going to grab here. We're going to do Control C, Control V. And then on this floating layer over here, click to a new layer. Perfect. Then we're going to grab it and we're going to move it so it covers up anything left over from before. Perfect. And now we have an OpenBSD wallpaper that looks slick. Now let's click Overwrite Teal Unicat and click Q. Don't say or discard the changes. And now, actually, let's open up the file manager. I'm going to go down here into pictures and go down here into wallpapers. And on Teal Unicat, I'm going to do a rename, and I'm going to rename this teal underscore puffy.png. That's a good name. And we'll keep that too. And click quit out of here. And now we can vim into my Exynet RC. Go down here. Oh. Teal underscore puffy.png. Save that. And then what we'll do is run fa-bg-fill and then give it pictures, wallpapers, teal puffy. All right, look at that. Looks real good, like real good. It's fantastic. Like, no joke. Great. I think she looking real pretty. Real pretty if it's just me. So, yeah, looks good. I don't see anything wrong with this. Look good. Yeah. I probably need to mess around with my PyCom config because I'm seeing some like tapered squares here that I shouldn't be seeing. and also the background's a little wonky. Oh, I'm sorry, guys. I'm a little behind. My font is Hermit. That's what it's called, just the Hermit font. Yeah, Ubuntu Mono is really good too. But I'm planning on starting to use some Rust game development libraries. I really want to get into that. So my kind of goal is to make eventually like a survival kind of in curses like game. Very basic, like ASCII art game. That's survival. Kind of sounds like a fun, small, very doable project. Game project, that is. Crazy chicken. Oh, yeah. Well, I mean, fun, nitrogen are both nice. They both work just fine. Yeah. Okay. So we've got that. That looks good. I like it. Um, Now let me see. What were we gonna do next? I mean, we could change up the font, but I like it, and I haven't seen anybody in chat being like that font looks terrible. Like I I like it. So we will move on to the next thing here. Let's go ahead and load up YouTube, because if you search a video called, or you just search make Vim cool, you'll find a video how to make Vim look cool. And this dude is like an absolute legend, because he takes Vim stock and does, applies some plugins and stuff, but he actually goes through the entire setup from scratch, which is really nice. What we're gonna do is we're gonna watch this, because it's kind of time lapse, which is really nice. And we're going to take them and try and get a lost point. Let's see if I can leave. No, that's not going to work. All right, let's move you right here. And move you right over here. All right. Vim into my .vimrc. And the first thing that we're going to do is get rid of this egregious, massive ASCII art that I have here. You know what? There we go. Yeah. Let's clean this up. Let's get it looking all nice. Whoa. What the oh, I had caps lock on, of course. Of course, I accidentally pressed something before doing something else. Let's see, set node compatible. Shift width. Why is this set to 4 spaces? What? Should be 5. Right? I'm pretty sure I typically use 5. Syntax enable. Let's go here, And we'll watch this dude's config. Seems like Comic Sans now. No, this should be nothing like Comic Sans. My mono fur font should be more Comic Sans. Like, hold on. Like, this is what I was using before. Right here. That's what everyone said, like, was pretty Comic Sans. Like, I genuinely don't know how any of y'all could possibly look at this and go, seems like Comic Sans. AJ, I hope you're doing all right, man. Because I don't think it looks anything like Comic Sans. Hold on. I'm surprised you didn't choose something with more libraries available to it for gaming, like C# or something. Well, I like Rust. I've really wanted to start learning Rust, and the whole point of me learning Rust isn't just so that I can make games with it. I just want to learn Rust, and I also like making games. Like, two separate, different things, but I kind of want to mesh them together. I had used Comic Sans as my bar font for 4 months lol on Qtile. Hey, I mean, like, I have no problem with Comic Sans. I know some people do, but let's see. He sets the encoding to UTF, which is probably a good idea. Let's do $sign here. Set encoding equal to, what is it, just UTF-8. All right. Yeah, we also want to set the cursor line. That's for sure. Set cursor line. Oh, not with a capital C. Save that. All right. Set show match. Show matching brackets. All right. All right. So let's continue on with these settings, because line break I don't believe I have, and we definitely want line break set ignore case. Good Lord, if I could type. Let's see. Do case insensitive matching, which will definitely be nice. And we do have, I thought we had smart. No, we don't. We don't have smart matching. Huh. Well, my Vim configuration was definitely basic. I always said I had a basic Vim config, and I didn't need that much out of it, but didn't realize just how simple it was. do smart case matching. Let's see. Yes, sir. The heart does have eyes. Yes. Wait. You can enable the mouse? I did not. Wait, what? I did not know that was a thing, but okay. Mouse equals A. Yeah, see, I knew it. I knew it. It was 4. For some reason, I figured for a second that all this time I was using 5 and not 4, and I wondered why that was in there. It's like, wait, what? I thought I was using 5. No, it's 4. Dipshit. I was right. Soft tab stop. Didn't even know that's a thing. Set soft tab stop. Let's see. Hold on. Let's take this up here. Okay. Let's get ours set up more like his, so it's a little bit cleaner. And let's do file type indent. Oh, file type plugin indent on. Alright, so set spelling equal to let's see, Ian_US. And let's go back here and make that set. Default language for the spell check. Wait, hold on. So if I save this and vim back in, yeah. All right, so we got shit happening. Let's see. Let's do styling settings. So highlight, comment, C-term, oh my good lord, if I could, C-term, good night equals italic. I like that. And then we'll do highlight, cursor line. Oh, no caps. Cursor line, C term, BG equals hashtag. Let's do capuchin. Go down here into the theme. And let's grab what I think the selection line should be. Control C. Go. Oops. Let's do. Okay, wait, hold on. So how are you supposed to do this? Yeah, wait, hold on. See, it's just hashtags in here. Okay. Well, you definitely want to wait until after this stream to steal the Vim config. Don't do it now. Wait till after the stream, after I've pushed up all these changes. So I guess I have to do, wait, hold on. So like, do I have to set it like using the term colors? Like light black. I believe that's how it is, like, right? Gray. Doesn't he set it to like light gray? Yeah. Okay, hold on. Let's set it to like light black. Let's try that. C term VG. Light black. It doesn't understand it. Huh. What am I doing wrong? C term equals none at the end of it. Okay. C term foreground, make that equal to, well, no, we'll just do C term equals none. Looks good. Let's see, we do line number. Foreground equals a white. Yeah, no. How about we do C term equals none here as well? None. Oh, none. highlight, cursor, line number, C term, BG equals black, C term equals gold, and C term foreground equals should we do green? Yeah. No. Let's try orange. Let's see if orange works. Yeah, no, orange was not working. Let's try yellow. I like it. See just fine. Alright, so let's comment that out. Yeah, I like that. Get rid of that. We just want the actual individual line number. Highlight, spell bad with C term BG equals red. Red and C term foreground equals, and here we will do yellow as well. We're not going to do white. Spell cap, none. Spell cap, none, and none. But hope everyone's doing good. Hope everybody's having a fantastic day. And Russell Willis, hope you're doing good. Welcome to the stream, brother. We are just doing a little bit of vim configuration. Local, oh, excuse me, rare is what this needs to be, rare. Okay. Then we're going to do local, and then C term is going to be underline, C term, I didn't even realize this. These are supposed to be background, C term and background. Yep, and then this C term underline C-term background. None. Okay. Cool. Slowly learning and also filling this out. All right, he's going to do some key binding stuff. I don't think we really need these. But he's also about to go down in and do the Vim plugins thing, which I don't know that we really need. I mean, let me do tabby.config pycom.conf, go through here. Yeah, I mean, I just don't really think I need it. I mean, if we're going to get Vim into an IDE, then I guess we might install some plugins, like get us a little file browser thing. Let's see, Vim plugins, and then we'll also search Fundle in another tab. Actually, we'll do it in this one. Well, actually, hold on, because we should do, well, wait, hold on. So why? So I guess GUI foreground and background is the ones that you can set. No. Making your own Vim color scheme is not easy. We don't need to. Again, it's fine. Let's go over to Vim plugins. Vim awesome. Proceed. It's okay. I don't think I'm in dangerous territory here with Vim plugins. Glowsec, how's it going? There's like 3 different ways, man. It's super easy. Come on now. Just close out of your Vim. Let's see. Is there anything that I'm like really like, oh, we could definitely use that? Yeah, no. I don't need a completion engine. I really don't. I can write code. Like I can just write it out. It's fine. I'll survive. The Nerd Tree one is a really good plugin. But I don't know. Do we really want to make our, like I've expanded on my Vim my Vim RC, and I'm fine with this setup here. Oh yeah. Now the mouse actually like completely works. That's, oh, okay. Yeah, that's a little dangerous. Yeah. I say we call it a day right there, bro. Like Vim's looking good. Let me hold on. Hold on. We'll do a little bit of testing. Let's cd into .config sucklist dwm, and then we'll vim into my config.h. And guess what, boys? Looks just fine. Looks like Vim. Looks like a good version of Vim. Looks really good. So sweet. Now what we could do is we could also try some stuff out with our PyCom config to get our rice looking really good before we start, you know, getting ready to do Rust tomorrow. Let's see. Wait, hold on. So if I do that as 0. I don't believe it really. Did that really change anything? I don't believe it did. I mean, I don't know if you guys can really see it, but there's like, so that with the drop shadow, you might be able to see it. There's little tiny bit of it that's not, that's still rendering. So, like, and it's just trying to be the background color and not really working with the shadows. No, I did not install a language server for Rust. I mean, I don't know that I need to. I don't even know that I need like a freaking nerd tree plugin. I'm still debating on whether or not I even install plugins. I'm fine with the default Vim. Like, for me, it's not too hard to open up a new tab, you know, and open up a new file. Just tabby it. You're good. You know? I don't know. Maybe that's just me. Maybe that's just me. I'm a simple man, okay? I have simple needs. Simple man with simple needs. Let's see. Yeah, I just won't even mess around with rounded borders for right now. But I do want to go down here into transparency, and this is the one I'm going to have to write here. See, wait, why? Is your opacity, like if I set you to 1, you freak out. See, like I get color there for a second and then it just disappears. Like I don't understand why. I have no idea. Like, why am I just getting white for the borders? Do not get it. Let's see. Menu opacity. Huh. General settings, is there anything in here that I missed? Let's not detect rounded corners, since apparently it's inaccurate. Change both these to false. Log level, all this shit. Normal, fade, true, shadow, opacity. Let's change this to 1 here. Damn it. Like we get the color there for a second and then it goes away. I don't understand it. I don't get it. Yes, I am on OpenBSD right now. Yes. Yes. Oh. I knew I'd lost my webcam somewhere. I just didn't know where. Oh my gosh. And of course I'm trying to lose it again. Come here. Come here. See, like, if I go... Oh my gosh. I don't get it. Oh, it's because the frame is transparent still. That's what it's all about. That's why the colors aren't showing. But see, this is the weird thing. When I make it have the right opacity, let's go down here. Transparency and opacity, frame opacity. Let's do this. 1.0. See? Still white. I'll take it over here. Yep, starts changing colors. So that means the genuine frame opacity is not being set at 1. I don't get at all. I don't know. I don't get what it is. I'll figure it out one of these. Yeah. So, let me see. Nerd tree toggle. Man. I really don't know. I don't think I need it. Like, I mean, it looks all nice. It's all fancy, nice little file browser in the side, but it literally takes seconds to tab. Dodgy audio. Uh-oh. That's no bueno. Well, I will try to fix it later on. I think as the stream goes, yeah. Yeah, as the stream goes, it gets out of sync. So it causes choppy audio. But that's good anyway, because I think we're just going to go ahead and close here when it comes to the Vim stuff. I mean, I think it works fine, you know? I think we've set up my Vim the way I'd want it. See, this... Wait, hold on. What? Oh, it's because they're floating, you dingus. Oh my good lord. Hold on. No, see, these two are not floating and aren't working right. Wait, what? What in the... Hold on. Okay, so from what I can tell, it seems to be this window right here. Like, the FF Play window gets focus no matter what. Well, it's the one, like, it's the only one that's getting proper shit working. Okay, this I don't understand why, but whatever. I'll figure out what's going on with the frame borders and stuff. But it is what it is. In an entry should be one for Ranger as well. No, I haven't, but I've actually switched over to using FFF, like from Ranger, because I'm not getting image previews anyway. And well, I mean, if we're being honest, I like FFF. It's written in pure bash. It's fast as shit. I mean, it's literally just fast as hell. It's such a nice file manager. Like, it's super simple to use. It's like ridiculously easy. Key bindings are like really, really common sense and like straightforward. This is DWM. The best. My favorite. But I think we're going to call it a day here, boys. We've done some Ryzen to Vim. Again, I'll go ahead and show off a little bit of what we've done. Why not? Local bin, and we'll open up like the record OpenBSD script or something. So, I mean, we didn't do much. We just added a cursor line, added some nice features, like just getting the mouse working properly and all of that. And so I like it. I mean, it's not any more complex than it needs to be. It looks a little bit nicer. It'll probably be a little bit more of a joy to use. We've also changed up the font. So hopefully tomorrow we have a really good stream. We're going to be all, like, I'm going to give out a watch together list. You guys are welcome to come in, and it's just going to be a beginner's course on Rust, and I guess we'll all watch it and follow along together. So hopefully it'll be fun. Yeah. NNN's good, but I prefer FFF. Just like, I don't know, like preference. I really can't describe it. It's kind of like trying to explain like why you like a certain type of cheese. It's just, I like it a lot. Integrating your TUI FM into Vim / NVim. I'd suggest trying that. Maybe, I don't know. I really don't think I'll need to, because I don't know. Like, I find, I look at all these Vim plugins, I'm like, it's literally going to take me a lot longer to learn how to use and get into the flow of using these than to just open up tabs. Like tabbing and opening up a file is not hard inside of a directory. Like with Vim, it's just not. So, but I've expanded on my super basic vimrc file, which is great without like feeling like I went too complex. Still simple, but look, it's just nicer now. A little bit nicer. I like it. Oh. Well, I think we're going to call it a day. I hope everyone here had a great time in this weird little stream, just checking out stuff, talking. Hopefully you enjoyed it, and hopefully I'll get to see you guys tomorrow for the Rust stream. But everybody, have a fantastic rest of the day. By the way, I put out a video earlier today. If you didn't see that, recommend you go check it out. I'll see you, boys.